Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for one of the most legendary Chevy boys of all time to put their feet to the fire. We talking the Impala Super Sportians. That's right, the Super Sportian Impala boys has decided they want to put their feet down in the hellfire. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Super Sportians down, or will the Impalians do what they love to do, make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get sinister on a wild, crazy police chase was an Impala. It's supposed to be a super sport, so we finna see if it's a super sport or if it's just a piece of trash. Now, y'all know the Impala used to be known for as the what? The family Camaro. We used to call these Camaros back in the day, man. If you couldn't afford a Camaro, get you an Impala. Pretty much the same motors was inside of them. Get you an Impala, man. You was working with something. He got this one. This is new. See, he got the paper plate, y'all. Buy here, pay here. Oh, why is he opening the door? It is a super sport. I see the badging. Y'all see the badging on the right side? On the trunk? He just got this from a buy here, pay here. He paying $2,000 a month on it. It's got 390,000 miles. Oh, he kicked his homeboy out and took off on him? Yeah, but dude. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my super toes devil. I hope you're ready. Out of there in the super sport. I got one downstairs. It's a monster. 5.3 liter V8, 300 and some horsepower. A monster. Back in the day when I first got this, I had the fastest car in the hood. Could nobody tell me nothing. Now, they ain't as fast as most cars nowadays, but they still faster than 85% of the cars on the road. You can get one of these for a good deal, too. $10,000 will get you a great one. You can buy mine right now for $5,000. Man, what kind of roads they got over here in Arkansas? Oh, what was that? He gonna turn the bottom end of the car up. Come on, you know that super extreme trash cannot take that. Man, what type of roads do y'all got in Arkansas? These are horrible. Y'all living bad out there in Arkansas, man. Y'all living horrible out there. I thought I grew up in a bad neighborhood. Y'all living bad out there. Shout out to Arkansas. I love you, but I wouldn't want to live there. Man, look at the bumps, man. That SS is out of there. I don't even see him no more. Is he going to the shadow realm, y'all? Is he gonna make it to the shadow realm? Is he gonna join the clan of Shao Kahn? You will die, weak, pathetic fool. He trying to get to the shadow realm in the SS Impala. Man, he moving. I see it. He just made a right turn, y'all. Shout out to the Super Sportians. Hold on. I think he missed a turn. I think this dude turned. I think the cop made the wrong turn. You missed a turn, my boy. I think he turned before this street. Oh, he tripping. I think he made the wrong turn, y'all. He made the late right. Yeah, I think he made the wrong turn. He's gone, y'all. He's in Never Never Land, right next to Peter Pan. My boy running like I'm running from all these bills. I can't afford nothing. Inflation is killing me right now. Who can agree with me? Right now, inflation is killing us, y'all. Inflation is more than our paychecks. And he out here wasting our good taxpayer money. Turn them lights off. You wasting our hard-earned money. And I know it's hard to earn money in Arkansas right now.
He dropped a passenger off at like 36th and Homan.
That passenger, Ray gone. Pookie dropped Ray off. Ray gone. Meet me in the comments. The Super Sportians have done it again. Them Impala boys have represented for the Impala gang. That's right, Chevy boys are still doing their thing this year. This is when he gonna kick out Ray Ray. Ray Ray, get out the car because I'm about to run. He telling Ray Ray right now, get out, my boy. I love you. Get out, man. I don't want you to get in trouble, man. Get out, bro. You're like, man, he told me to shut the door. Get out or I'm gonna run you over. Get out, bro. I told you to get out. Yeehaw! Look at Ray Ray like I can't believe he kicked me out with no shoes on. Shout out to the Super Sporty and the Impalians, man, and the Super Sport. The Hood Camaro. When you couldn't afford that beautiful Camaro, you had to settle for the SS Impala, and it was a monster. I'm trying to tell y'all youngsters, when I first got this Impala in 2006, I was the man. Could nobody tell me nothing. I was burning everybody up. This used to be the Hood Hellcat. This used to be the cat. The Impala SS was a cat. Look it up. Look it up. It was a monster. It was faster than the 96 SS. Look it up. It just was front wheel drive, so a lot of people wasn't really messing with it. But, you know, you threw some 22s on it, sit it a little low. That thing was fast and it looked good. Come on, man. One of the best Impala body styles of all time. You got to keep it real. They still running those Impala body styles right now. But yeah, big shout out to the Chevy boys. You did it again. I love the Chevy boys, especially the Impalians, because you know I'm an Impalian, aka Super Sportian. Big shout out to them. They smoked them. They went to what? Another realm, the Shadow Realm. He is now one of Shao Kahn's foot soldiers. He's going to be fighting for mortal combat. But with that being said, hopefully you liked the video, loved the video, and if you didn't like the video and loved it, thumbs down it. But if you did, big shout out to y'all for supporting me all the time. I love you so much, World Wolf Pack. I love y'all, man. Y'all stay blessed up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. And if you got a few hype points to spare, I wouldn't mind taking them. If you got a few hype points to spare from a young brother named T-Light, you can go ahead and give them to me. I sure wouldn't mind taking those hype points from you. Share the video. Please share the video. And if you're a Werewolf Pack member and you made it this far, can you please hit the like button? Now y'all know every day, I love you, Werewolf Pack. I want y'all to stay blessed up. And with that, I'm going to leave you with some positivity. I'm going to need for you to start believing in yourself. I'm going to need for you to stop walking with your head down and stop thinking that you ain't worth something. Listen, life is too short to not have no confidence in yourself. It's too short. You got to believe in yourself because you really the only person that can take you to the next level. You got to get out there and meet the right people. You got to make the right connections so you can have that life that you want. Listen, most of us is not going to be rich, but we can have a good life. I want you to have a good life, but I can't help you. All I can do is uplift you and hope you make the right choices. But you got to start making the right choices. I always talk about time because we don't have a lot of it. And you out here wasting a lot of your time. Stop wasting time. Let's start making it happen. Listen, if you got something to say to me, you need me to uplift, you need me to talk to you, get in my inbox on Instagram. It's T-Lights World. I will talk back to you. I love you. I want to see you succeed. Stop wasting time. And with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. But we will watch you run from the police and give our honest reaction of what we see. And we also will try to sell an Impala SS. If you're looking to buy an Impala SS between the years of 2006 and 2010, this is the video for you. Send it to your friend if you're trying to buy one. It's a wonderful car, and you just saw why it's a wonderful car. It's the job done, and it's quite luxurious for it to be a 2006 and up. But with that being said, like I said, we don't condone running from the boys in blue. So if you are going to be a diabolican, we don't want you to get into no police chase. Absolutely not. But if you are going to be a diabolican, you might want to look into what? Getting you an Impala SS and become a Super Sportian.